From nature's most mundane materials, birds weave wonders. Delicate circles of grass and twigs, elaborately woven baskets of vines. It's hard to believe they were fashioned by beaks. She begins her nest with a platform of soft, fluffy fibers plucked from nearby plants. She's chosen a small tree branch that offers a bit of scaffolding to anchor her construction. Now she needs a special thread to tie it all together. It's made by another skillful architect. And fortunately, she can find it almost anywhere. Spider silk. As the nest grows around her, she works the inside of the bowl with her feet, compressing the resilient fibers into a thick wall. With her needlework and footwork almost done, she begins to shingle the outside wall with lichen, seeds, and moss. And suddenly, it's perfect. A finished little home for the tiny hummingbirds to come. Red ovenbirds are sculptors of mud and clay. At last, the dome is almost finished. Only a large front opening remains, when the ovenbirds suddenly begin working on an intriguing internal structure. Inside the simple dome, the birds are crafting a remarkable foyer. A curved wall that will seal off the main section of the interior. But they leave an opening at the top of the wall that gives them access to the roomy inner chamber. The home now has an elaborate two-part entrance, a security measure that makes it easy to defend. There are some 10,000 bird species in the world today. And each of their nests is a custom-made cradle of life.